Hey, how's it going? This is Roy Castillo with iWireless Point of Sale. Hope you guys are having a great time today. And what you're going to be seeing on the video is how to set up your callback module and how to work it to increase your customer revenue. So what we're going to do is click on settings, which would be the first module on the top left. And we're going to go ahead and jump over all the way to the right side where it says callbacks. Where, of course, as soon as you click on it, you're going to notice that it's totally blank. So you want to make sure you do turn it on and click on the gearbox right here. You're then going to type in the amount you want the callback to be generated. So, example, customer comes into the shop today and gets a brand new activation. I would want the software to remind me or my employees to give that specific customer a call back on day 10. So what you're going to do is click here on the gear, on the settings, and type in a description for the first callback. So I'm going to go ahead and describe it as a satisfaction callback. And you're simply going to make a script for your employees to follow. You can make one of your own, or you can always ask me for one that it's the one we use, which is it's pretty simple, straightforward. The call will go something like, "Hey, hello, this is Roy. I'm calling from VIP Wireless. This is a courtesy call to ask how your phone and plan have been working out." And then you keep going on with the script until you finish the call, right? So this is designed and guaranteed to help you guys engage in a relationship with that specific customer, and with the intention of them coming back onto the second month and performing their payment. So remember, guys, this is the first call. It's a satisfaction call, and what we're going to do next is type in the amount of days that we want the second call to be generated. So I would select 28 days after the initial activation, and I'm going to click on settings. Same process here. You're going to give it a description and a call script for your employees to follow. So I went ahead and described it as a second month payment reminder, since it's going to generate on day 28. And you could either make up a script of your own, or you can ask me for one, of course, which the call would be something like, "Hey, how you doing? This is Roy. I'm calling from VIP Wireless. This is a courtesy call to let you know that your payment is due in 2 days. Now, if you come back into the shop, you might go home with a free accessory." And sometimes you don't even have to give away accessories. Sometimes all the customer wants to hear is that you're there to support them. That's how they become loyal to your business, and then that's how you increase the number of your retentions a month. So once you do those two steps, you want to click continue right below and jump on to the third one, which I usually do on day 55, and describe it as a third month payment reminder with the script that, of course, this is optional to you. This one would go something like, "Hey, how you doing? This is Roy. I'm calling from VIP Wireless. This is a courtesy call to ask how your phone." I'm sorry. Hey, how you doing? This is Roy. I'm calling over from VIP Wireless. This would be a courtesy call to let you know that your phone payment is due in 2 days. You guys come back into the shop, you can go home with a free accessory. And like I just mentioned, sometimes you don't have to do that. So this would be a great way for you guys to increase the number of your retentions. And we all know that, and I think you guys could agree that the more retentions, more people coming back into the shop, more payments done means more money, more commission, basically. So you want to click continue. And that would be it, guys. This is how you're going to be able to set your callbacks. Now, I'm going to be showing you how those calls are going to be made on the store portal. So let's go ahead and hop over to the store portal, guys. And once you guys are over on the store portal, what you want to do is click on callbacks. which is over on the left side, where your employees are going to know exactly who to call, when they need to call them, and what they need to say. Once they do make the call, they're going to want to go ahead and type in notes on the outcome of the conversation. Once you do save this specific callback, you will be reminded to call this same customer 28 days later for the second month payment, and then 55 days later for the third month payment, and eventually on day 115th or so for them to be able to upgrade to a better device and start the process all over again. That would be it, guys. If you have any questions whatsoever, either you as the owner or your employees, just go ahead and click on the link below where it says online, type in the question, tell us, hey, guys, I need help. And we'll immediately assist you, either myself or one of my colleagues, and get you guys a solution ASAP. Once again, this is Roy with iWireless Point of Sale. You guys make it a great day. We'll be in touch, and goodbye.